So today I'll be showing you how to fix mobile data problems with your Xiaomi 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. So if you have problems with mobile data connectivity, then first of all, you want to go to settings, and then under settings, go to mobile networks, tap on that, and then you want to check if you have the correct SIM card set for mobile data. So that's under data SIM. So it could be SIM 1 or SIM 2. Maybe you have the wrong one selected. And then of course, you also want to check that you have mobile data turned on, and also whether you have smart dual SIM on and whether you need it on or off. Now, basically this feature, when it's on, it uses mobile data of the secondary SIM card to boost connection speed. So sometimes you might have that, you might find that this is causing problems and it's maybe connecting to the other SIM card when it's actually a bit slower than the one you set as your default. So you might want to try and turn it off and maybe try using it when it's on and see if that fixes your problem. Now, if you have network bar issues here like this, then one of the things you might want to do is maybe remove the SIM card and try and put it back again. And you can do that by ejecting the SIM tray, reading the SIM card, or maybe you can contact your service provider if you've tried everything and it's still not working. Now, even before you do that, you can actually check online for your specific carrier's mobile network settings. So you can come, for instance, I have two SIM cards in this dual SIM setup. If I come to this SIM card, you can check out the access point names, things like that. So you tap on that and then check that you have everything as it should be. Now you should be able to find this information either online, or you can contact your service provider and they can give you this information for the name, the access point name, all this stuff. Okay, MCC, all this stuff should be exactly the way your service provider intends for you to use it. All right, so that's basically how you can fix mobile network problems. Now, if you've tried everything and it's still not working, you might want to try and do a factory reset on your phone, and maybe that's gonna try and fix a little problem you might have with the settings. Anyway, that's basically how to fix mobile network issues on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. Now, unfortunately, unlike other phones like Samsung, there's no way to reset network connections separately. Okay, so you kind of have to factory reset the whole phone, unfortunately, but that's how you do it. Thanks for watching and good luck.